mar abiriyo mar weche mamoko en okang' mar abiriyo mar Zuri Awards mabende osir lwedo kod kambi mar Royal Media Services notimore e boma ma Nairobi chieng' tich abich gotieno ma en chenro mabende puoyo tich maber mitimo kod nyidendi e kind oganda e pachoka. Chenrono mabende nochakore gi yiero manotim kod panel mar jong'ad bura motele kod kambi ma Ernst kod Martin Associates Auditors. Kambi mar RMS ne opuo kuom nyalo mar mine e chenro mar mwanamke bomba. Moko kuom mine mabende oyuoro chenro no gin kaka Mwanamisi Amadi ma Citizen TV kod Melody Sinzore ma Radio Citizen.
That colleague Mwanamisi Hamadi, is she in the room to help hand over the next two trophies as she makes her way up? And of course we know the amazing contribution she's made nominee in the media category. Are we all in the photo? There we have it. Congratulations!
But we've decided to work with the team 7 years. And this is because it resonates with our mandate of empowering women, creating awareness about their issues, things that they deal with, challenges. Because who are women? It's me, it's you, it's your sister, it's your cousin. It's all of us.
You know, I must commend the Zuri Foundation for that beyond awarding, at least there's value addition to just that award. And it's a commendable that, you know, in partnership with the Citizen Royal Media Services, that there's a lot of publicity about this and encouraging other women to also follow suit.